Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla-tunity, and today I'm excited to share with you a brand new carbon fiber dash cap for the Tesla Model 3. So come along with me and check it out. About a month ago or so, Pete from Abstract Ocean reached out to me after seeing my struggles with another carbon fiber dash cap from another manufacturer. And he mentioned he had one in the works. To be a little patient, it was still obviously in the early stages, but coming soon. Got really excited, and then finally the day was here. Pete was kind enough to offer to me an advanced look. I got it before it even went on sale. I was able to install it in the car and have this video ready to go for you, timed with the launch. And I can't thank Pete enough, but most importantly, the product is fantastic. That is first and foremost. I'm going to take you through everything in this video, show you the install, do the best I can. You know, when things are drying quickly, you kind of want to move maybe quicker than you can move a camera around. So you'll get that when you see the installation here in just a second. But I'll also give you some opinions and impressions and kind of tips and tricks along the way. Really easy though, so this will be pretty quick from here. Last order of business before we get into it, I do want to let you know that I did pay for this product. I did get a discount, and on top of that, Abstract Ocean, of course, is kind enough to share a 15% off discount with all of you, my followers, using code Tesla-tunity. I'll have a link down below in the description. It'll take you right to the product itself. But remember, the code Tesla-tunity will get you 15% off. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing and install it in my car. Check it out. It looks like Abstract Ocean has some really nice packaging on this product. So first we're going to go ahead and cut open the box, and it reveals a nice wooden case inside that's protecting the carbon fiber in shipping. This is, of course, a very delicate piece. Once you cut open the box, you'll find some instructions, a QR code that'll take you to Abstract Ocean's installation video, and of course the carbon fiber trim. If you keep looking, you'll actually find 2 end caps as well. They've sent some extras just in case you damage yours when you remove them in the process coming up. And also hidden in the packaging, which you don't see in this video, is an adhesive promoter. So definitely locate that in the package. It will be important in just a minute. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, we have to knock off the end caps. I don't have good video footage of this. There are videos out there. What I can tell you is you want to use either a pry tool or a blunt object, something like a marker, wrap it in a microfiber towel, and just kind of use the air conditioning vent as a track that'll kind of work your way down toward the end cap. It'll knock right off. You can see it sitting up on top of my dash. From there, we go ahead and wipe down the dash with an IPA mix. I used an IPA 70% mix, and you just thoroughly wipe the area, especially if you had previously had a vinyl wrap like I did. And after you're done, go ahead and let it dry for a few minutes, and you're all set. Our next step is to take advantage of the included Automotive Adhesion promoter. Now, this stuff is pretty nasty, and you really don't want it on your skin. So I went ahead and put on some gloves to make sure I didn't have to worry about that. All you do is open up the package. It's basically a sponge with the adhesion promoter on it. So all you're going to do is wipe that down on the dash just beneath where the carbon fiber is going to go. A pretty thin, even layer all the way across, and then go ahead and let that dry for a couple of minutes. All right, now it's finally time to put the carbon fiber into the car. 2 people are recommended to just protect the carbon fiber from any accidental damage during the installation. But if you're very careful, you can definitely do this on your own, like I'm doing in this video. So let's go ahead and take the carbon fiber out of the wrap. All we have to do is remove the 3 adhesive strips, and we are ready to drop it down into place. So be very careful as you go over the screen. That's really the biggest thing you're watching out for. And then just go ahead and kind of drop it down into place. Don't push down too hard, just some light pressure to hold it in place. Now you can move over to the driver's side. Again, make sure everything is lined up. Still just apply some light pressure as you work. And then once you're happy with the placement, go ahead and grab a microfiber towel and apply some even and strong pressure all the way across the dash. At this point, you're essentially done. The only thing left to do is to reinstall the end caps. I don't have that shown in the video, but all you do is line it up where it goes and give it a good hard tap with the underside of your hand, and you'll hear it snap back into place.
Several days later.
All right, so after the installation was done and after the video camera was put away, I had a quick thought that using 3M painter's tape to help hold down the carbon fiber while the adhesive cured was probably a good idea. So now we're a few days later. It probably didn't have to stay on for as long as it did. I'm sure it didn't, but it just lined up with the next weekend for me. So we'll go ahead and remove the 3M painter's tape that I put on. You can see no issues at all with the material as it comes off. And that's it. We're officially done.
2 weeks later.
All right, and we're back 2 weeks later. Let's go ahead and close out this video. A lot has changed. My beard is gone. There's carbon fiber trim in my car, and I absolutely love it. This stuff looks factory finish, perfect fit. I am really happy with it. Now, why did we wait 2 weeks? I wanted to drive around in every lighting condition, direct sunlight, rain, dark, you name it, just to make sure I was happy with the product. One of my concerns with the vinyl wrap earlier on in the process was some sun glare was a little tough to deal with. Well, I'm happy to report in all lighting conditions, this carbon fiber looks great. So I'm gonna take you in for a final montage. You'll get to see everything. One note that I'll share with you is that I see a tiny sliver of wood trim on the passenger side when the door is open. But other than that, you can't tell the car didn't come with this. It is perfectly cut, perfectly fit. As you saw in the installation part, it's really easy to install. So this is 2 big thumbs up to Pete and Abstract Ocean. I love this product. It's gonna be in my car for the rest of the time. And so yeah, let's go ahead and take you in. We'll close out the video with a nice montage of what it looks like in the car. Thanks everyone. Catch you on the next one. Bye.